Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for JavaScript series. Okay, so in the past we are seeing a lot of concepts one by one. We saw from the scratch, right? And now I thought of giving you the code right in a central repository. Okay, so now in this video we are going to see how to push the Playwright framework or the Playwright project into the Github repository. Okay, so Github is a centralized repository where we can store the code and pull it, push it, share across the team, and right, you can collaborate with your team and for the updation of the project. Okay, so let's learn how to push the code in Github from the Playwright automation. Okay, so now for that what we need to do is, right, we need to all have an Github account. So you should go to Google. I already have an account. I'm not going to create an account, so please try to create an account. Hope you're all will be knowing how to create an account. It will be easy. You can follow the process. Okay, so you can go to Github login, and here you go to sign in. I already have an account, that's why it's going directly in. You can create an account and you can come into the home page of the account. Okay, please try to create a new right GitHub link. If you already have an existing GitHub the URL, you can use it. Okay, and you also need to write install Git. Okay, Git also needs to be downloaded and installed. Okay, so you should go to Google and download Git, right, and it for a Windows or Mac, whatever OS you are using, try to download it and install. Okay, so Git is a command line tool and GitHub is a repository. Through Git command we are going to push the code in the GitHub repository. So GitHub is a repository and Git is a command line tool where, right, to so with the use of some commands you are going to push into the central repository. Okay, so I'm just going to click new here and create a repository, and I'm going to name it as Playwright Learning. Okay, since I created a project in that name. Okay, Playwright Learning, I'm going to make it as a public one. So if I want to use only for a personal use or within the team, we can go for private. Since I want to give you the code, I'm just giving the public. Okay, and I'm going to click create repository. A new repository has been created and we got the Git URL. Now we are going to push the code into the GitHub. Okay, so for that we need to go to the project. Okay, so we need to go to the project, right click. If you have installed Git bash, here an option will come, open Git bash here. Now you click it. Okay, so now we can see right, a command line tool has been there. Okay, just you need to follow the simple steps. It's already there in the account. Just first you need to initialize the repository. Okay, so for that I give Git init, so it's going to initialize the repository. Then I'm going to follow the same instruction. I'm going to give Git add. If I give dot, right, it is going to right, it's going to copy all the files. Okay, so I'm just going to give Git add one. So first I initialize the repository with help of Git init. Now I'm going to give Git add dot. Add means adding all the files. Okay, so dot represents all. Okay, now after that what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to give a commit message here. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Okay, give a commit message. I'm going to change the commit message to Playwright Learning. Okay, so you can download this code. I'll share this GitHub repository in my description. You can download the code. Okay, now it has been right, a new commit message has been created and all the files has been added and committed into the repository. Now what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to again follow the same instructions which is there. I'm going to right, move towards the main branch now. Okay, that is right, we can have future branch or main branch. Now I'm going to the main branch. Now I'm just going and pasting here, and I'm going to click OK here. Now we have moved to the main branch. Now for that the command is git branch -m and main. Okay, now after that I'm going to go into the right repository URL. For that the command is git remote add origin and the repository URL where we need to push the code into the Github. Okay, for that I'll copy here. Okay, then I will paste here. Okay, okay, so okay, so now git remote add origin and the repository URL. I'm going to add the origin from the URL. Okay, now we can do push and pull. Normally we pull the code and push. So since we are not going to download any from the repository, we're just going to push it. Okay, push means pushing the code into the repository. Okay, now I'm going to use git push -u origin. If you are not authenticated, it will ask for the username and password. Since I've already authenticated, it's not asking for the credentials. If I'm not done before, it will ask for the username and password. Okay, now the code is being pushed into the repository. Let's refresh the URL and you can see all the code has been pushed into the repository. Okay, now this is the right URL where you can download all the Playwright code. Let me open and show you. Okay, through this URL you can download right the repository. Okay, so this repository link, already we are adding some link in our JS testing academy site. Still there are a lot of work is going on, so allow us some time. Already have some GitHub links in my account. Let me log in. First you need to log in. Okay, there is a limited right membership I've added there. You can purchase it if you want. I've added some links like for example APM automation, rest assured, Serenity. I've added some repository links. I will slowly add this Playwright URL also here in this this particular JS Systems Academy site. Under the GitHub links you can download from here also. Okay, so you can see courses, you can see resumes, you can see test cases. We are slowly adding, going to add projects also, different domain projects, and interview questions already has been added, and some artifacts deliverables right has been added. Slowly we are going to add lot of things in this particular site. Okay, you can watch it also. Okay, so hope you learned how to push the code in GitHub from the Playwright. Okay, and in the next videos we are going to see right the framework, right, the complete end-to-end framework, starting with page object model, BDD, a test runner, and the reports. We are going to integrate, and we are going to integrate with Jenkins, Docker, and GitHub also. Okay, so hope you are watching this channel. Hope you watched all the previous videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.